day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Friday, June 9th, 2023. It is 12:20 and 32 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, improving vision. So let's hop to it here. As colorful, fresh foods improve athletes' vision, visual range is a critical asset for top athletes in almost any sport. Date June 8th, 2023. Source: University of Georgia. Nutrition is an important part of any top athlete's training program, and now a new study proposes that supplementing the diet with athletes with colorful fruits and vegetables can improve their visual range. The researchers examined how a group of plant compounds that build up in the retina, known as macular pigments, work to improve eye health and functional vision. Researchers have shown that eating foods like dark leafy greens or yellow and orange vegetables, which contain high levels of the plant compounds lutein and zeaxanthin, improve eye and brain health. A lot of research into macular lutein and zeaxanthin has focused on health benefits, but from a functional perspective, high concentrations of these plant pigments improve many aspects of visual and cognitive ability. Visual range, or how well a person can see a target clearly over distance, is a critical asset for top athletes in almost any sport. The reason why objects get harder to see and appear fuzzier the farther they are from our eyes is thanks in part to the effects of blue light. As from a center fielder's perspective, if that ball's coming up in the air, it will be seen against a background of bright blue sky, or against a gray background, if it is a cloudy day. Either way, the target is obscured by atmospheric interference coming into that path of the light. Many athletes already take measures to reduce the impact of blue light through eye black or blue blocker sunglasses, but eating more foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can improve the eye's natural ability to handle blue light exposure. When a person absorbs lutein and zeaxanthin, the compounds collect as yellow pigments in the retina and act as a filter to prevent blue light from entering the eye. As previous work had been done testing the visual range ability of pilots in the 1980s, recent studies on how macular pigment density, or how much yellow pigment is built up in the retina, is linked to a number of measures of eye health and functional vision tests. In a long series of studies, they have shown that increasing amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin in the retina and brain decrease glare disability and discomfort and improve chromatic contrast and visual motor reaction time, and supplementing these compounds facilitates executive functions like problem solving and memory. All these tasks are particularly important for athletes. They are at the point where they can say they've seen visual range differences in pilots that match the differences found in modeling, and now they've also seen it in laboratory tests. And the future goal would be to actually bring people outside and to measure their ability to see contrast over distance through a real blue haze and in outdoor environments. And before you start chowing down on kale in hopes of improving your game, they caution that everybody is different. That can mean the way our bodies absorb and use lutein and zeaxanthin varies, and it can take a while before you notice any improvements, if at all. And still, the evidence of the overall health benefits of consuming more lutein and zeaxanthin are reason enough to add more color to your diet. They have data from modeling and empirical studies showing that higher macular pigment in your retina will improve your ability to see over distance. The application for athletes is clear. And this is the Professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and teacher of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.